go to Ramatou plage. It's your girl Lolo, and I am live here at Ramatou Beach, and Ramatou Beach happens to be one of the coolest beach here in Lomé-Togo. So I'm going to do like a mini tour around this place and to show you guys what this place looks like. Is that pomme de terre? Is that, what's that? Okay, it's chips and is that chicken or fish? I think it's chicken. Okay. Is it okay? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, that was the menu there. So I'm going to do a mini tour around this place because this place is not like it's a very small space, lovely small space, and you're going to see what this place looks like. Because for somebody like me, before I go to any place, I like to go on the internet to see, okay, what does this place look like. You know, I like to just have an idea what it looks like before I go. So I'm sure that this video will be helpful, and so that's why I'm going to do like a mini tour here so you can just see. Okay, so please do not forget to like my videos, subscribe, and make sure you come to Ramatou plage. Okay, ciao.
ça va? Salut mes amis, tout le monde, tout va bien. Ici, c'est plage Ramatou. Si il y a quelqu'un qui veut venir ici pour le repos, pour les chanter comme ça, tout ici c'est bien, c'est ça. D'accord? Au revoir mes amis.
Je m'appelle Aziza, je suis burkinabé et je suis actuellement à la plage Ramatou.
So I'm here showing you guys how beautiful this place is. So if you want to take a break, if you want to go on a vacation, this is the right place for you to come. Because of course, like I said, you're facing the beach, and you know what, when you're facing the beach, that's how all your stress, all your problems will just be disappearing from your body at that moment. Hello.
Je suis Laura et actuellement je suis à la plage Ramatou Beach. Voilà.
I was filming. No, this chicken is giving. Come on. exploring around Ramatou splash with me because I thought to enjoy it here. It's so refreshing, it's so peaceful. Like, you deserve to live a peaceful life. Ciao. Guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. See you next time. Bye. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Okay, I'll talk to you.
Hello, my name is Laura. Je dis quoi d'autre? Non, mais qu'est-ce que je dois dire? Mon nom, mon origine, c'est ça? Et
Ouais.
puis ma classe.
Non, oui, si tu peux, oui.
C'est qu'on va répondre.
Oui, et aussi, et tu es où à ce moment? Oui.
Non, on va répéter. Hello, my name is Laura.
Oui.
I am Ivorian.
Ouais.
Je suis à la plage Ramatou. I am in Ramatou Beach. C'est bon?